You've been told that going sugar-free is the ultimate health hack. But what if I told you the truth is far more complicated? In fact, some sugar-free habits might be making you gain weight, mess with your metabolism, and even increase your cravings. Let's break down the truth behind sugar-free diets so you don't fall for the hype. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we break down health myths and bring you real, science-backed answers. Today, we're diving into sugar-free diets. Are they really good for you? Or are they just another diet trend that's misleading millions? The big misconception. Most people believe that all sugar is bad, and cutting it out completely will lead to instant weight loss and better health. But here's the truth. Not all sugar is the enemy. Your body needs sugar, specifically glucose, for energy. Natural sugars found in fruits, dairy, and even vegetables are part of a healthy diet. The real problem: added sugars, the ones found in sodas, processed snacks, and fast food. These are the sugars that lead to obesity, diabetes, and metabolic issues. The hidden danger of artificial sweeteners. So you think you're making the healthier choice by switching to sugar-free drinks and sweeteners. Not so fast. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin are often marketed as zero-calorie alternatives, but they come with risks. Some studies suggest they can trick your brain into craving more sugar, leading to increased appetite and potential weight gain. Other research links artificial sweeteners to gut health issues and even blood sugar spikes. Yes, the same problem they claim to prevent. The right way to reduce sugar. So, if completely going sugar-free isn't the answer, what should you do? Instead of cutting out sugar entirely, focus on reducing processed sugars and replacing them with natural sources. A few easy swaps. Choose fruits instead of sugary snacks. Opt for dark chocolate instead of candy. Swap soda for infused water or herbal tea. By making these small changes, you'll reduce sugar intake without shocking your body or creating intense cravings. So, should you quit sugar completely? The answer is no, but you should be smart about the type of sugar you consume. Moderation is key, and the best way to stay healthy is to focus on whole and processed foods instead of chasing diet trends. What do you think about sugar-free diets? Have you tried one? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more health and nutrition content. And turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.